In this video, I will tell you how you can play any game without any lag or hanging problem. Now you have to open settings, then apps and notifications. Then you have to click on app info. Then all apps will be displayed here, and then you have to open single app one by one and click on storage, and you have to click on clear cache memory. This step you have to repeat for all the apps installed on your phone. This will truly help to increase your phone's performance while gaming. And you will be playing your game without any hanging or freezing problem.